mama ni mamat. Kat. Si Matmat. Put. Guys. Hello. Hi, Footsie. Hello, Brian. Hello. Hello to my Footsie. Hello to my Footsie. My little dirty Footsie, Brian. Let's go to school today. I'm done. I'm here at the house now. Lick it. Like that. How to lick Footsie like that? Like that. I will lick by my gun. Hello, Crispy. Good afternoon. Wala akong boses. Beautiful teacher. Thank you so much, Crispy. Wala akong boses. Wala akong boses. No, I will do it for you. Okay, do it for me. Saan ka nag-concert? Wala akong boses kasi nauubo. Kaya di ako nakapag-live kasi ngayon lang lumabas yung boses ko, Crispy. Just go, Brian. May alip po nga. May buni pa, oh. Oh, tignan mo. May buni pa. Diyan ka maraming alip po nga. Wala akong boses. Walang boses. Kasi nag-concert ako kagabi. Kasama kami ni Elias. Noob. I'm not a noob. Crispy, magkasama kami ni Elias kagabi. Nag-concert kami. Alam mo yon? Kilala mo yon? Are you at home? Yeah. I'm done in school, Brian. Sino yun? Yung magaling yung singer. Like, katong yung magaling sumayaw. Nun sa Facebook. Yung magaling sumayaw. You got sick? Yeah. I got sick for almost 5 days. That's why I didn't go to live. I didn't go live. My little Footsie got a sick, Brian. I'm still sick, but it's okay. Oh, didn't know that. Yeah, you should know that. Hello, Ellie. Good afternoon.